Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can pin your favorite action in Heartopia. Okay, this is a new feature in Heartopia. And then go to this emote icon. Then you're going to go to the action, and then now you can favorite or you can pin the action that you like. I'm going to pin this one. So we're just going to tap and hold on it, and then we're going to click on collect, and then the action will be added to your favorite, and it will be on the top, so you can easily use it. No need to scroll down. And let's see for the emote. Can we do that? Okay, we can also pin our favorite emotes. Just do the same. I'm going to tap and hold on this emote, and I'm going to click on collect. Yeah, done. If you want to unfavorite it, just tap and hold and click on remove. That's a simple. Thank you guys, and that's how you can pin your favorite action or emote in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.